how to show or hide blocked calls in phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, click on recents. So after click on recent, so click on this three dot icon. So if you want to hide block calls, so click on hide. So you will see block call is hide. So if you want to show block calls, blocked calls, so click on show block calls. You will see show block calls is here. So if you want to show and hide block calls from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can show and hide blocked calls in phone apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.